Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. In this video we are drawing letters from A to Z, coloring them. Let's learn some colors. We have orange color, dark brown color, dark green color, sky blue color, pink color, red color, violet color, light green color, purple color, dark blue color, black color, and yellow color. Let's start coloring. Violet color,
ABCD,
letter A. A is for apple. This is violet color. Letter A. A is for apple. Orange color. Letter B. B is for ball. B is for ball. Orange color. Letter B. Light green color. Letter C. C is for cherries. C is for cherries. Red color. Letter is for duck. D is for duck. This is letter D. D is for duck. Sky blue color. Letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. This is letter E. Dark blue color. Letter F. F is for fish. F is for fish. This is letter F. Pink color. Letter G. G is for goat. G is for goat. This is letter G. Brown color. Letter H. H is for horse. H is for horse. Dark green color. Letter I. I is for ice cream. Purple color. Letter J. J is for juice. J is for juice. Yellow color. Letter K. K is for kite. K is for kite. Light green color. Letter L. L is for lamp. Violet color. Letter M. M is for mango. M is for mango. This is letter M. M is for mango. N. Orange color. Letter N. N is for nature. And N is for no. Letter N. Sky blue color. Letter O. O is for orange. O is for orange. This is letter O. Red color, letter P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Pink color, Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Letter Q. Brown color, letter R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. Letter R. Orange color, letter S. S is for sunflower. S is for sunflower. Dark blue color, letter T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. Light green color, letter U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Letter U. Dark green color, letter V. V is for volcano. V is for volcano. Red color, W. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. This is W. W is for watermelon. Yellow color, letter X. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. Purple color, Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. This is letter Y. Violet color, Z. Letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. This is letter Z. Z is for zebra. So we have just done it from letter A to Z. I'm sure you are doing the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.